Life is moving to a brand new beat, dancing circles on the city street. The sun is climbing up the garden wall. I'm feeling light, I'm feeling 10 feet tall. No need for worries or a heavy heart. This is the moment for a brand new start. Just listen close to what the rhythm says.